can't speak too loud. I'm at the hospital. Don't worry, it's nothing serious. I'm just here doing my first physical therapy. You guys don't know, but I messed up my knee a few months ago.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
So I'm trying to see if I can get it working back again without surgery, because brother, I'm not in the knife thing, not like the cutting thing, you see it? Yeah man. So, and then it's me and Ashley, me and her here, you know. After this, I think we're gonna go to Ocherius and get some errands done, go to one of the offices and pick up some equipment that I ordered. And then Ashley, where we're gonna go after that? Where you gonna go after that, Ashley? There's a Starbucks. Why you wanna go this? Eh? Tell me why you wanna go this? Where you running for? Where you running for? Everybody know you. Eh? Everybody know you. See how the people. Listen. Hey guys, I'm in the actual room where I'm gonna do the physical therapy on my knee. I'm just waiting for the guy to come to show me what's up. See you later, guys. I'll tell you what's up later. Peace. Yo, I don't know why Ashley love run from the camera. We're there watching now still. Just go buy some stuff for the shop. I'll go check out another store to get some more supplies. Catch you guys later.
Hey guys, what's up? You good?
Yo, brother, where you wanna go eat, Ashley? Yo, where you hide for? Eh? See her there? You don't know why she hide for. Ashley, where you hiding? What you buy? Ashley got a package. What you buy, Ashley? You couldn't buy something for me? Huh? Ashley, you couldn't buy something for me? How you mean, so? It's alright. Look more. At Ashley's favorite place. Ashley, man, you pull down my clothes, brother. Yo, you know what? You know, Ashley. Alright. If you say hello to YouTube, me buy brownies. You want the brownies? Say hello to YouTube, I'm buy the brownies. Eh? You don't want the brownies? Alright. See YouTube me tell her say hello to you guys, and I'll buy a brownie, but she don't want to say hello. Say hello YouTube and buy the brownies. You don't want it? You don't want the brownies? Eh? Say hello.